Hey, what is up guys, it's your Cash here, and today we're doing an unboxing from magicpuzzlecube.com. Alright, so let's get started. The shipping on this was extremely fast. It was a day, well, it wasn't extremely fast. It was a day faster than E3 Cube Stores shipping. And if you order over $25, it's free shipping, so I got free shipping. I think I got like 8 puzzles in here, maybe? I don't know. Oh, don't cut towards yourself. No! Anyways. That's a big box. Is this something important? No, not really. Okay, yeah, really. Okay, so here we have stickers for... That's not the Dayan. I think that's the F2, maybe? Wow. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's just start. Here's the Zhanchi DIY. I'm planning on using the Silicube on this to see how really good it is. How good it is. And it comes with a card. Here's the card. It's got like goldish right here. Whoa. It's got the guy and stuff you can't read. Alright, let's just pull a part out so you can... More stickers. Box. Let's make a part real quick. Okay, so here is a corner piece. And here's an edge piece without the torpedoes in it yet. Oh, wow. I didn't even need that knife. Ah, cubes! Oh, bubble wrap. Okay, so let's start with these. I ordered one of these, and I got 2 of them. They're QJ 2x2 keychains. This one's a lot smoother, and it's got better stickers on them. This one's all wrinkly stickers. Anyways. Okay. Here is the Guhong 2, version 2. Okay, that's quite a bit difference from Guhong 1. Has it got torpedoes in it? Guhongs don't have torpedoes in them, do they? We're about to find out. Oh, wow. Guhong version 2s do have torpedoes. I did not know that. Makes it more a little crisp. Yeah. Yeah, let's get under the F2. Yeah, good cute dog. You're playing with the ball. And, oh, it's one of those thingies. Instruction manual stuff that's in Chinese. Oh wow. I'm bad at it. Wow. This is actually pretty good. This is better than I thought it was gonna be. It's already lubed. Wow, that was really better than I thought it'd be. The orange is really light though. Wow. Stickers are really light. I'm gonna have to replace them. It's not really locking up at all. Well, a little bit of lockups right there. Okay. Moving on. Here is the GostHand 2x2. Thought I would try it because I heard it's an okay puzzle, and I don't have it yet. So, I don't expect it to be like a WIT2 or anything, but... Okay, this is a lot worse than I thought it is, than people say it is. Wow. They said it was like between a LanLan and an Yixing. It's not. At least right now it's not. Yeah, maybe with some lube it will. But right now it just feels like kind of like a QJ. QJ's bad. Okay, so here is the 55mm zhanchi. It's really not that big of a difference by the looks of it. Okay, it kind of does now. Oh no! Wait a minute. Maybe. I don't know if these are F2 or the zhanchi stickers. But no, it's chipped already. Okay. Anyways. Feels really good. Oh yeah. This might be like a one-handed solve, my one-hand solve cube. Yeah, it's pretty good. I don't know why I do that move right there. I do it on a lot of them, so yeah. Stickers. Okay, I thought this was pretty cool, so I just decided to pick it up. I already have one, but it's not clear. And it is the is it? Yeah, it's the LanLan void cube. That's see-through. Okay, this turns a lot stiffer than my other LanLan. I don't even like my other LanLan. Locks up. Wow, this locks up. Anyways, it's pretty cool. Transparent. Okay, here's a cube for you, 3x3. I had one a long time ago when, like, first week I started speed solving, and I got taken away. So I totally forgot how it felt, and it felt really nice then. So let's just see. Definitely feels like old times, old memories right there. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at this. Wow, this is really smooth. Corner cutting. Pieces. Red core. Oh, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, whatever. Okay, so here we have the Shengshou 3x3. Yeah. Comes with the standard Shengshou stuff I've never actually read. Oh, it actually has some English. Okay, it's got some grease on it. Feels pretty good. Locks up, sorta. Yeah. Let's take a look at the pieces. Whoa, that's small. Huh. That's interesting. Oops. So yeah. Alright, so these are all the puzzles I got from Magic Puzzle Cube. This is about 70 bucks, I think it was. I don't know. Yeah, I think about 70 bucks. Kind of expensive, but I like puzzles. So yeah, I think I'm going to be doing a review on these, maybe, I don't know. But this is the end of this video, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, so... Bro.
Yeah. Still steady chasing my dreams since I was 17. Do whatever it takes, even till